there you guys, it is me, RandomJosh, and I am back again with another Face Mask Friday. So today I am bringing you more beauty hauls. So today we have a lovely, oh Jesus, it's live. A lovely little parcel from the amazing BPerfect. So I ordered this a little while ago. Had a little bit of trouble with receiving this. Due to everything going on, delivery took a little bit longer, which was fine. Plot twist, Royal Mail lost my parcel. So thank you very much for the people at BPerfect for still managing to get, you know, everything shipped out to me. As soon as I discussed it with them, they were like, we're sending you another one. You know, expect it by the next couple of days. So I was like, oh, you know, thank you. It's understandable that, you know, things do take a little bit longer during these crazy times, but I just couldn't not receive this. I'm so excited. So I think we're just gonna crack this open. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this right now. But yeah, I'd actually seen some of these products when I met up with the BPerfect team when they were at RuPaul's Drag Con earlier this year. So there was a couple of things that I kind of was wanting to buy while there, but I didn't. So right off the box, we have our little thank you from BPerfect. And it's also the online returns form as well. Not that I should really be needing that. A little pamphlet for the BPerfect and Emma Mitchell highlight collection. Oh my glow getters, love it. And that finally brings us to this, which is what we're here for. I'm living for this bubble wrap. Okay, let's rip it on open. So if I remember correctly, they were doing a deal on lots of bubble wrap. So yeah, there was a deal on for getting these two particular products together, just to help saving some money, which is always super grateful for that. So the first product here is the Glamour Glitter Liquid Eyeshadows. So, I mean, that shot was probably not good at all, so I'm actually going to just open them up and get them out because, you know, it's probably easier to actually see the beauty when they're out of the packaging. If I can get them out, of course. So yes, these are the glitter shadows. So you get 3 different colours. So this top one is Jewels, which is kind of a more orangey goldy kind of mix. Then we've got Buzz, which is a slightly more, I guess, normal gold. I guess the first one was a bit more rosy gold. It has orangey, coppery tones to it. But this one's proper gold. And then we have Stars. Oh, throwback to the old name. Which is this really gorgeous silvery shimmer. So yeah, these are absolutely gorgeous, and I did actually get a demo of these while I was at DragCon, and honestly, these things swatched so beautifully, and they don't budge. I was like, because I think they did it on my arm or something, and so they did it, let it dry for a second, and then was rubbing at it, and it was just not moving. I was like, I need those in my life. So I was like, I had to get them. So that's those 3 gorgeousness. Oh, And of course, I mean, we're going full shimmer and glow, so I had to get the Sub-Zero highlight palette. Oh my gosh. Again, this just looked so yummy, and we know what Josh is like for highlight. I live for it, but I tend to stick with like the same lame one product. So I'm trying to branch out and, you know, expand my collection, have a little bit more fun and freedom with what I'm using. That is what we are doing. So here it is, look at that. Sorry about the reflection, but you're gonna have to live with it. So we have these absolutely to die for shades, and I'm pretty sure you could probably get away with even using these as like eyeshadows as well, like a topper, just to add a little bit more extra, especially like these darker shades. I love that they are so inclusive though of all kind of shades and skin tones. Well, obviously as much as possible. I think these are absolutely stunning. OTT, who doesn't love a little bit of OTT right here? So yeah, I'm gonna give you some close-ups of all of the products, and then we're gonna get into swatches. Right, so I'm gonna start off by swatching these gorgeous eyeshadows. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try and awkwardly do this on this arm, so apologies if it doesn't look fabulous. So we're gonna start with Jewels. Oh, that just looks so good. Oh, right. I'm really sorry about this. Oh my god. One, I can't see what I'm doing, so I might just do this. Like, look at that. It's just metallic, and it just catches that light so well. Oh, so pretty. Right, so next on to Buzz. Buzz, which is the more golden shine. So there we have it. Again, look, it's very champagne-y, which I'm living for. And again, it just catches the light so perfectly. I just want to like bathe in these. Can I just entire face of this? Anywho, last but not least, on to Stars, and that is with a Z, because we is bougie AF, and I live for that. It's like almost you can control the amount and the depth, so you don't always have to have like that pure intense, it's not just like a solid block. You can kind of build it and make it your own unique feeling, so it could be used to add on top of something to give it a nice little shine and glitz, or it could be used just purely on its own and it rocks the party, you know? So here is Stars. A little bit harder to see because I am pale AF and the other colours just bomb my arm. I mean, IRL, I see all three so clearly, like when the light is just, I'm gonna see if I can do it. It's really hard to see on camera, but like they are all there and they are all looking extra super juicy. So yeah, this is Stars just here. Again, a little bit harder to see when they're overpowered by the other two, but still equally, they all are super, super nice. Really, really cool colours. I could see myself using those a decent amount because, I mean, again, who doesn't love adding an extra bit of glitz and shine and glamour? I know I do. So now on to the Sub-Zero highlight collection. So, oh my god. Again, this is going to be an interesting one to try and swatch. I'm actually going to take my watch off because it's probably going to be easier to do it on this arm. So the first one is just which is just a generic kind of highlighter with blue undertones to it. So you can see that there. Again, just catching the light beautifully. And then we have in Blankets, which looks like it's a little bit more pinky undertoned. Yep. Again, on camera, these are a lot harder to see because they're like, obviously highlights are not meant to be definite, like you can see where they are. They're meant to blend and just catch the light. But anywho, then we have Made It, which is a slightly more golden yellow toned highlighter, which is just there. Again, hopefully you can see these a little bit better than what I can see on camera right now. Then we have Babley, which is like bay and then almost like, I guess, barely. So it's a very nude highlighter, which, yeah, I can see that being very, very nude. So a lot more subtle. Again, like when you're looking at it in here, that's the one. It doesn't look as nude in the pan, but when you actually apply it on the skin, it does come off really nude, which is nice. Then we have Lifestyle. I'm trying to remember where I've put all of them. Which is this one. Okay, yeah. See, here is where we're getting a little bit more golden toned. So we can actually see them for all their glory on my unfortunately pale skin. Again, just gorgeous shade. Probably couldn't get away with that for highlighting my own face. However, I could use that in some different settings. Oh my god, I just saw this name. Body Oddy Oddy. I love that. Which is this one. Again, slightly darker shade there, but it is still just so beautiful. Oh, look at it. And then finally we have OTT, which is an extremely golden tone, which is just there. Just trying to make sure I've got an even coverage because I'm not good at applying these. I'm doing it blind, okay? So yeah, just at the end, again, look at that, like the catch of the colour. And it is covered my hands. My hands are all shiny and beautiful. I love these. These highlights are so, they're fun. They're really, really fun colours. And it gives you like a little bit of a variety then as well. Because like obviously I've got the one kind of pan things and it's like, okay, I have to kind of just use that. Whereas like this, I can kind of mix it up, maybe like combine some of the colours to like make a different colour as well. And just quite fun. And then I've even got, you know, eyeshadow toppers again on top of what we've already got. Speaking of the eyeshadows, I'm actually just going to quickly showcase the fact that they do not budge. And I'm actually putting quite a lot of effort into trying to move that, and you get like a little bit of fallout from the glitter itself, like this tiniest little bit, but apart from that, that is just generally my shoddy attempts at like doing in a straight line, but that does not budge. So I live. These, stunning. I am living. Oh, I cannot believe I finally got these. If anyone at the BPerfect team who was actually at DragCon remembers who I am, they probably are thinking, Jesus Christ, it's that one again. It's me. Yes, I finally got it. Thank you guys for showing me like these products, because I couldn't like not buy them eventually. I know it's taken a little bit of time, but I bought them one way or another. But yeah, I'm absolutely living for these products. What do you guys think? Are you living for a bit of Sub-Zero? Or are you know, more into these amazingly gorgeous liquid glitter shadows? Oh, I cannot choose which one is my favourite. They're all so stunning. And you know, BPerfect have such a gorgeous range of like different products as well, from like even tans. I mean, I clearly need to get on that gig because she's very pale. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will be leaving the links for these particular products in the description down below. Not sure if they've still got the bundle on. I think I paid about 20 quid roughly for these, which is less than what they are individually. So I was very lucky to get that. But if they don't have the bundle on, I know they do a lot of different unique bundles. So make sure to check their website out. Even check out the BPerfect Instagram and all their other social medias as well. Some amazing stuff is in the works, and they've just released recently the body shimmer, which, oh my god, looks to die for. It is so lush. I need to get my hands on it. Not that I'm, you know, going anywhere fancy to be putting on body glitter, but I want it. Anywho, thank you once again for watching, and I will see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace out, bitches.